My next favorite supplement is wow. Hey guys, it's Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my favorite health supplements that I've been using in my fitness journey, my weight loss journey. These are my favorites. I've been using some of these for years now, so I definitely can vouch for them. And we're also going to be sharing some of the ones that I'm looking forward to trying in the near future. Let's just get into it. Now, disclaimer, you do not need supplements. These are just added little extra bonuses you can throw into your fitness journey, but they definitely are not necessary. You will definitely make progress without these supplements, but these are just some things that can kind of help on the side, you know, like a little cherry, little whipped cream on top, you know. So first, I actually don't have it with me, but I'll pop it up on the screen. Pre-workout. I love pre-workout. If you don't know what a pre-workout is, it comes in different varieties. There's drinks and there's powder. Those are like the two most basic ways you can get pre-workout. And what pre-workout is literally something you take before you work out that gives you a boost of energy. I don't know all the science behind it or what gives you the boost of energy, but I know primarily a lot of these pre-workouts have caffeine in them in different doses and variations. The one I like to use currently is Alani Nu, and that I know has 200 milligrams of caffeine in it. And yeah, it really gets things going. Alani Nu really doesn't, you know, get me too amped up, you know. There's no jitters, there's no tingles or any feelings like that. And yeah, that's the one I love to take. So a little disclaimer with pre-workout, if you are caffeine sensitive, be careful. There are ones that don't have caffeine in them, so I'll look into that. And also don't take this pre-workout too late. It depends on the person, but don't take it too late into the evening. Some pre-workouts advise to not take it after 4 p.m. So kind of just see how you feel after that. You don't want to be up late all, you know, at night. So definitely just read on your pre-workout and try it out. Again, I recommend Alani Nu. This is not sponsored by them, but hey. But no, this is not sponsored by them, but I do like Alani Nu, and they come out with different flavors like frequently, so it's pretty good. My next favorite supplement is greens, specifically this organic superfood with probiotic. I love this. So basically, if you don't eat enough fruits and vegetables in a day, this is the supplement for you. You just need 1 scoop of this, and you can put it in anything. I used to put it in green tea. I used to put it with just some little bit of water and lemonade and drink it like that. Or of course in your smoothies. This is such an easy supplement to take. I like this brand specifically because it's affordable. There's no taste, or it doesn't even smell bad. It actually smells pretty good. I used to take this at work and my coworkers would be like, that smells good, what is that? And I'd be like, my greens. Here it's 50 different superfoods. So there's berries, fruit, greens, veggies, herbs, things like that. And also I got this one with the probiotics in it. So there's 1 billion probiotics as well. The best way to take this, I think, is on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. And what that does, it really just gets your system moving and help you regulate, you know, help keep things regular. And also, if you're worried about bloat or things like that, greens are the way to go. And I'm gonna do a whole video about my little tips on bloating, so please stay tuned for that. That's probably gonna be after this one. But yes, greens are the way to go. I do have other brands I wanna try out in the near future, so just keep an eye out for that. But this is definitely found on Amazon, so I'll leave the link for all of these things actually down below. Next, we have protein, which of course you guys should already know. Protein helps build muscle and recover from any kind of muscle pain or aches. So you have to have protein in your diet to really grow those muscles and help keep you full for sure. So I like, again, Orgain. I like the organic protein. I prefer plant-based protein powder. Whey protein hurts my tummy, so I like to keep the plant-based protein powder. I also like pea protein powder. Those are the two that really like do me well. They don't mess with my stomach or anything. So I've used Orgain for years now, and it's my favorite plant-based one that doesn't have like any crazy aftertaste. I like to get vanilla because you can add this, of course, in your smoothies, shakes. People make pancakes out of these. Like, there's tons of things you can do with protein powder. And for this one, you need 2 scoops, and 2 scoops equals 21 grams of protein. Key with protein and it really like helping you and getting it into your system is usually to drink the protein within 30 minutes to an hour after your workout, just so it can really get into your system, help recover those muscles and help build those muscles back up. So different things like that. So that's why a lot of people, you know, keep protein nearby as soon as they're done with the gym. That's also why gyms sell protein drinks, so they, you know, you can really get that pump after your workout. But also, if you don't have protein powder, another alternative is protein bars, which another YouTuber here named Raina, she suggested these protein bars that I've been kind of enjoying. Now, disclaimer, I'm very picky when it comes to protein bars. I think all of them are nasty. I have not found any that are good, like that are really good, like yum, like there are none that I have found. But this one is like, okay, I can eat this. It's actually pretty tasty. These are the Power Crunch bars. I got the flavor peanut butter fudge, and as you can see, it has like a little Reese's Pieces on the top, so it's kind of similar to Reese's. But here it is. With this, it's 13 grams of protein and 215 calories, so it's pretty hefty. And I actually do like these. These aren't too bad. Another flavor is the chocolate, something like that, triple chocolate. And another one I saw today is like vanilla cream or something like that. So there's tons of different flavors. I recommend, if you want to try these individually, to go to Trader Joe's. For some reason, a lot of stores don't sell these individually, at least in my area. So go to Trader Joe's, pick up all the flavors and one of each flavor and see which ones you like. That's what I did, and I decided that I liked the peanut butter fudge enough to buy a whole box, and in this one box you'll get 5 bars. And I got this at Target. Another supplement that I don't take as much as I used to is BCAAs. Now, BCAA stands for branched chain amino acids. Ooh, still got it. So there's a lot of hoopla of whether these are real or whatever, are really helpful. In the end, BCAAs are delicious, like they taste delicious. So BCAAs basically are, they're just a lot of vitamins and really good things for you. They help with energy and they help with recovery. A lot of people like to drink these throughout the workout to keep up their energy boost. And I like to drink them after my workout to help with, you know, muscle aches and pains. And it was just genuinely delicious, and it helped. It kind of reminded me of Gatorade. Like, it just kind of kept me refreshed and made me feel really well. Really good. There's 2 other supplements I have not tried yet, but a lot of people are talking about them on the internet these days. There's creatine, which is another supplement that our body naturally produces, but this kind of course adds on to that production. And creatine basically helps build muscle. There's been a lot of pros and cons to that supplement, so I'm kind of still researching on it. You have to drink a lot of water with creatine, or else you're going to be like holding on to that water weight. So I heard. I'm gonna look into a best creatine for me as a beginner, how much I should drink, how that all works. So stay tuned for that, because I'm not sure about that one yet, but I have seen good things and I've heard things about it. Another supplement is simply called Pump. A lot of these companies call it Pump. And basically, you know, I'm not even gonna talk too much about it, but what I see it do is basically you take pre-workout and you take this pump supplement, and it basically helps your muscles not get too tired. I want to say they actually help your muscles get that extra oomph in them so you can continue your workout, something like that. I'm not entirely sure if I want to start taking that. I know my boyfriend takes it and a lot of other fitness influencers take it, so it's something on my radar, on my wish list to also try eventually once I do, of course, more research on it. So while I have you guys here, here's just a little mini update. Your girl got a whole bunch of new clothes. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see I got a whole lot of new fitness fits in the mail coming in, and I'm just living my best life. So stay tuned for more videos where I'm going to show you guys some affordable high-end reviews of different fitness brands. I'm really trying to see where I fit, where I feel comfy, like my go-to brands. Biggest favorite announcement ever. Officially today, I am in a new gym. I'm in a new gym home, so no more purple and gold. Your girl is definitely in a whole new gym, and it's bougie and it's fancy and it has all the aesthetics, okay? And I can record in there, so I'm super excited to have you all in there with me. So I'm definitely gonna be recording some more of my workouts so we can look at Nelia's form and what she doing right, what she doing wrong. Give you all my favorite like glute exercises, because your girl's butt is sitting up higher. I'll show you guys in the next physique video. I do want to do some more meal prepping with you guys to keep myself accountable. And just to show you guys some ideas if you're getting bored with your meal prep. I'm with you. I get bored. I'm bored now. So I've been trying new recipes out, and I definitely have like 2 or 3 down that I really like. And I'm definitely gonna try to add on to my little mini recipe book in my head. I will be linking all the supplements I discussed down and below. Shop through my Amazon link if you want to support your girl. If you want to keep up with me daily on my fitness journey, please follow me on Instagram. You'll catch lots of fitness and hair content on there, and me just talking about life, being me. Subscribe if you haven't already. Join the family. Hi, and like this video if you found it helpful. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.